In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up your Binance app and log into your account. Next, you're going to go right down here to the bottom right-hand corner and click on Assets, which is your wallet. Once you're on this page, you're going to go right over here and click on Spot. Next, you're going to click on Withdraw. Now you're going to click on Solana. If you don't see it on your list, you just go over to the search and type in Solana, tap on Sol. You're going to send via crypto network. Next, you're going to fill out this form. To get your Phantom wallet address, you're going to open up your Phantom app and log in. Once you've logged into your account, you're going to tap on Solana, click on Receive right here, and you're going to copy your wallet address. Go back to your Binance app, and under address, you're going to paste in your Phantom wallet address here. Make sure your network is set to Solana and to the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Make sure everything you entered is correct and just tap on Withdraw. And that's how you transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet.